Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Kia Sportage, stock reference number 4105. This shape runs from the 10th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a G4NA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left-hand front with the radiator grille, right-hand fog light, right-hand halogen headlight, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. We have the left tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard in good condition, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.